sure I'll get this wrong, Abdo Halami,
Yes, sir.
15261, charged with a hot check.
Your Honor, I've spoken with Mr. Al-Halimi this morning. We'll waive reading of the information if he qualifies. I'm sure he does.
He does.
Okay. Enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. We would like to be heard on bond.
Okay. Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, my client has no criminal history. He's never seen the inside of a jail. He's pretty nervous and upset about what's occurred here. He lives in Little Rock, where he runs a business. Unfortunately, business was not as good as he had hoped, but he is at least a 2-year resident of the state of Arkansas. And speaking with him this morning, he has 4 children, teenagers and younger. We do not believe that he would be a flight risk as to not appear back in court on these charges. There's no indication that he would be. Carrie, do you know what the bond is right now?
$15,000.
Okay.
Can he make any cash bond?
Judge, I have to call. He gave me a list of numbers this morning, and I will be needing to call those people after you make a decision on bond to see if they can come up with it. He did not know offhand how much they could come up with. Is it a $15,000 cash bond right now?
I don't see where it's been said it may have been.
I actually received a phone call on that, and I actually remember setting that bond at $50,000. This involves a check to a victim for almost $13,000.
Yeah, I see it now, 15,000.
Judge, we would propose that if it is an all-cash bond, that it would be much more appropriate for a cash or surety bond in the amount of $10,000 to assure his reappearance. The bond, as it says, looks to be punitive in nature.
Why don't we set it at surety in the amount of the check?
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll enter a plea of not guilty, have him reappear on October 29th at 10 o'clock for a pretrial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That'll be all, sir. Thank you.
Jason?
15-260, State versus Jason Biddle. Possession of methamphetamine with purpose to deliver. Possession of methamphetamine, illegal use for communication device, drug paraphernalia. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir.
I've been retained to represent Mr. Biddle. I'd like to enter my appearance, if it pleases the court. We'll waive a formal reading of the charges and your plea of not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll enter that plea of not guilty, have him reappear on September 24th at 9:30 before Judge Webb.
September 24th, Your Honor. Thank you.
15-247, State versus Kenneth Hurst, delivery of methamphetamine, illegal use for communication device near certain facilities.
Yeah, I think he was previously arraigned in front of Judge Webb. I think he's just here for a scheduling order.
Okay.
I thought we was going to go ahead and take care of this matter today, sir.
I'm sorry, sir.
I thought we was going to go ahead and take care of this matter today.
Okay, go ahead.
If we do reach an agreement, we'll bring him back after lunch, Your Honor.
Did you hear what your attorney said?
Yes, sir.
He said if he reaches an agreement, he'll bring you back after lunch. We'll transport you to the courthouse if an agreement's reached, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. 15-246, State versus James Lally, commercial burglary theft. This has been transferred from Division 4 to Division 3. Is there anything to be done today?
They need attorney status, Your Honor.
Okay. He appeared, well, the public defender was appointed last time he appeared before Judge Webb. Mark Cooper stood with him. Sir, did you fill out some paperwork for the public defender's office?
Yes, sir.
Or who did you give it to?
One of the 309s took it.
One of the 309s took it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When they
We're gonna
came
have-
around.
We'll get another application over there, Judge.
Okay, they'll look for it. If they can't find it, you fill out another one, okay?
Can I get a bond reduction so I don't lose my job? I need to get out.
Let me look here.
I can't, I'm the only one I got. She's on SSI for Social Security. I can't get a hold of her. I maybe come up with $100 out of my check.
Yeah,
I'm just trying not to lose my job.
right. Mr. Bayless, you mean to recall this later?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, your attorney needs just a little bit of time to work on the matter, but he'll, or your attorney who we assume will be your attorney.
Okay,
If
thank you.
something's, agreement's reached on the reduction of bond, we'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
15245 State versus Arthur Tunnicliff, delivery of methamphetamine. Here for any pretrial motions?
Judge, there are no pretrial motions at this time.
Okay.
Leave it as scheduled. I've talked to Mr. Tunnicliff, and hopefully we'll have a resolution soon.
Mr. Tunnicliff, I have appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, formally done that. That's all we can do today, thank you.
Second.
15-59, State versus Danny Bobbitt, theft of property. 15-57, theft by receiving, theft, fleeing.
There's no action taken on today's date. If something changes, we'll have him brought back this afternoon.
Okay. State versus Cody Egloff. Are you Mr. Egloff?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Violation of order protection, 14-208. Is this a
It's a revocation.
arraignment on a revocation? Who represents you, sir?
Public Defender's Office, Your
Okay.
Honor, we're discussing bond. I apologize. We're
Okay.
in a plea if not true. Your Honor, the state's agreed with the court approval to a $500 cash bond with no contact with the alleged victim in this matter.
Was the alleged violation against the person who had the order protection? It wasn't.
I think it's a different, I will check that, Your Honor, but I believe it's a different lane. It's a misdemeanor domestic violence charge,
Okay.
I believe. Before you commit to that, Your Honor, allow me to check that. I'm
Okay.
relying on my memory, and I would rather look at a piece of paper.
I'll go ahead and set the hearing down for September 24th at 9:30.
Is this a Division 4 case, Your Honor?
It is. I'll hold it out and work on the bond.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
We'll make a decision later on your bonds.
All right,
That's all we
thank
do
you.
right now.